Welcome to the part 2 of our Basel adventure. In our last episode we explored the city, its sights and charm, but now it's time to dive into the experience that made this trip so special. Let's get cooking! So today we're going to the cooking class with my friend, and this is the main reason we came to Basel. This is a friend I've known for years, and she's done training in Paris in the most famous cooking school that is called Cordon Bleu. She was always passionate about cooking and presenting the food beautifully, and I didn't get a chance to try any of her dishes yet, but her Instagram just always keeps me hungry because not only when you read the description of a dish it sounds delicious, but she also has really good eye for presenting dishes in a beautiful way, and she finds these unique pieces that are just amazing. Looking forward to go get this workshop done. Our menu today was fully customized by Chef Irina, and we have 3 dishes to cook. The first one is cauliflower steaks, the second is cabbage rolls, and then for the dessert I asked for a special recipe from my childhood called Syrniki or cottage cheese pancakes.
What you do is you clean out all the outer leaves.
And how do you cut? Do you cut here or you cut?
You can start with the leaves all the way around. One steak and the second steak. You don't want to make them too thin. It goes away. And this you cut in half. So we season it with the salt, smoked paprika, and we will seal it with a piece of butter.
It's like this bags, you know, for the blankets.
This sucks.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they're getting closer together. Oh! Sous vide done.
So first, you clean it. Cut it in half, right?
Okay.
Again, you can make it once. You
Okay,
can
and
make
then you
it
just
2 times. You can make it 3 times. You can make
Okay.
it 4 times, 5, and then you just.
You'll see the difference when I do it.
So this is the first step of cooking the puree.
So this one is wine and cream, right? And then spices. To cook a good meal you need 1 hour or like more, and I just like to cook it 30 minutes and I'm done.
It depends what you cook. It's not always that you need plenty of time. You can first transfer them here.
Both of them at once, you said?
There's not a place.
Yeah.
You can go with both.
skinny steaks causing the problem.
Well done.
Wow.
And when you turn them,
The other one seemed like it was
yeah, just because they butter and you bake.
Oh, wow.
Like with the meat and all this. I would put it like on the center so you can see a little bit, but then on top of the steak.
okay.
Just also on top, so where you can see.
Well, no, we have the simmer, and then we have boil,
Yes.
and then we can't watch it.
Everyone has simmer
So
and
if
boil.
I look
That's
this
why I
way-
said boil, not simmer.
If I look this way, it doesn't boil.
Okay.
Okay.
Action.
An egg as the combining agent. Now put some salt.
And then we're gonna press the garlic inside. Just like, okay, let's
Now
put
with
Kate's.
flowers.
Okay, here you go.
What did you even do?
I removed the top.
Rolling them, not to closing all the way around, so that everything stays
Nice and neat.
nice and neat. And we put it in the preheated to 200 degrees. Here they are.
Yay!
Man,
Just for plating, you can plate like that, or you can, also nice to plate. You can put it in the center.
well, that's where I was going to put it, but oh.
Yes, you put part by part. This is
Oh, yeah, okay.
all
Gotcha.
the way through. use the scales. Or you can tape the cup.
Oh, very creative.
Look, it's a
Now you need to flat it
It's
a
a-
little more, a little lower.
Yeah, you can see you don't want them to be very thin, right? Because they will also shrink a little bit with the cook.
Oh,
It's too big.
yeah.
Put some back.
Yeah, well, you just need to get the first part right.
So pretty. The good plating starts in the head and then folds. I would say the classic way, probably first the different berries, then sguichon, then a bit of basil.
This was the first of a kind cooking experience for us, and it was really rewarding to be able to craft these beautiful dishes. It felt really special, really unique, and really personalized. This first dish was a surprise from the chef, and we couldn't imagine such amazing combination with scallops and cauliflower. The second dish was something we requested. It was absolutely delicious, and we made so many that we even got to take some home. And then the dessert was my absolute favorite, and this is something I hope to repeat at home because this was the thing I wanted to learn how to cook for a really long time. If you're ever in Basel, I cannot recommend enough this cooking course, and Irina just opened a brand new space to take this whole experience to the next level. Here's her website and her Instagram page where you can learn more and book your unique experience. And if you missed the previous episode where we explored Basel, be sure to check it out next. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next episode.